Today's lesson, we are going to learn about stock control. Now, you have a lot of SKUs in your warehouse or storeroom, but how are you going to know how many quantities are left? Relying on physical paper or Excel is not good enough. It is not a real-time data. Therefore, if you are using SiteGiant, you're able to record all your inventory in SiteGiant system and view your stock level in real time. For instance, if you stock in or stock out, the stock level will be adjusted by itself in the system. Thus, if you are selling on Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok, the stock level will change as well. Same goes to when you sell 1 unit of items in Shopee, the other channels will be deducted by 1 as well. You can view your stock level via web browser or even through the apps. It's not over yet. We still have inventory forecasting, racking system, WMS. We save this topic for another day. Remember to like and subscribe. I mean subscribe to SiteGiant plan.